In this video, I'll show you how to scrape all products from Nike.com website, where the data is stored, how to extract the data. But first, this is how the Discord bot scrapes the data for you and displays the products in the Discord messages. Enter a command, $ followed by scrape, send. Then the bot gives you options of categories you wish to scrape. Let's choose men category and under $100 shoes. The bot will go to the site and scrape all those shoes and their prices and images. As you can see, these are some of the shoes scraped. We also have a JSON file with all the data scraped. If you open Nike.com website, all these are the categories they have. If you hover over them, you can see subcategories. Here is where the data is stored. Open any subcategory. Right-click, click. Inspect to open the DevTools. The section needed is this HTML page. Search for _next_data_tag. As you can see, here is the JSON data of the products. Just copy the JSON and paste it in a JSON viewer like jsonformatter.org. If you expand the JSON, the data is hidden in this product groupings list with each product's data in them. Now, Nike is not that hard in scraping security, so just sending requests to get the HTML will work just fine. If you need the code link in the description,